Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of vacuuming and mopping the old-fashioned way, you're gonna love what I've got lined up. Robot vacuums have seriously evolved this year. They're smarter, stronger, and a lot more independent. We're talking insane suction, AI-powered navigation, auto mop washing and drying, and full-on smart home control. But let's face it, not all of them deliver on what they promise. That's why I put this list together. I tested and ranked 5 of the best and most advanced robot vacuums you can get right now. Each one offers something unique, but only one stands out as the top pick. And that one, you'll find it at the end, because I'm saving the best for last. So whether you've got pets, kids, or just want spotless floors without lifting a finger, this video is for you. By the way, if you're into real tested tech reviews that help you actually decide, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I keep it honest, sharp, and straight to the point. Let's get started kicking off with number 5. Number 5, Ecovacs Deebot 50 Max Pro Omni. Let's kick off this countdown with the Ecovacs Deebot 50 Max Pro Omni, a seriously underrated robot vacuum that might just surprise you. While it doesn't have the big name buzz of some competitors, it absolutely holds its ground when it comes to performance and smart features. If you're someone who wants a hands-off experience with powerful suction and great mopping, this is a strong start. Right out of the gate, what stands out is its 18500 PA blast airflow suction system, and yes, that's way above average. It's designed to pull up embedded dirt from both carpets and hard floors without struggling. Whether it's pet hair tangled in the rug or cereal stuck in the tile grout, this thing goes hard. But the T50 Max Pro isn't just a vacuum, it's a full cleaning system. It comes with a self-cleaning mop station that washes and hot air dries the mop pads after every session, so you're not constantly dealing with moldy cloths. And here's a smart touch. It uses 3D laser obstacle detection, which means it avoids pet bowls, wires, socks, and random messes with impressive accuracy. Now let's talk edges. This model includes a retractable side brush that extends outward when it senses walls and corners, so those annoying mist crumbs, gone. And its Zero Tangle 2 design is perfect if you've got long hair or furry pets, no more manually cutting clogs off the brush roller. The onboard navigation system maps your home with detail and speed. You can create no-go zones, schedule cleaning for specific rooms, or tell it to clean under the table after dinner. It's all managed through the Ecovacs app, which is surprisingly intuitive and doesn't require a tech degree to operate. And battery life? Solid. You get up to 200 minutes of runtime, which is more than enough for medium to large homes. It auto-returns to the dock to charge and resume where it left off, so you never come home to a half-finished job. Who's it for? If you want something that vacuums and mops really well, handles pet hair like a champ, and practically maintains itself, this one is for you. It's ideal for families, pet owners, or anyone who wants that just cleaned look without lifting a finger. Bottom line, the Deebot T50 Max Pro Omni may not be the flashiest on the market, but for the price and the features it packs in, it's a seriously smart choice to start this list. Clean floors, no effort, no drama. Number 4. Roborock Saros 10R. Next on the list is the Roborock Saros 10R, and this one is made for people who hate clutter, love sleek design, and want serious cleaning power packed into a slim, modern robot vacuum. Roborock went all in with this model, and it shows in every detail. Let's start with the profile. It's just 3.14 inches tall, making it one of the thinnest high-performance vacuums available right now. That's not just a spec, it actually means it fits where others don't. Under couches, beds, low TV stands, this thing slips in and takes care of business where other vacuums just bounce off. Navigation-wise, it's loaded with StarSight 2 AI, Roborock's latest intelligent mapping system that doesn't just detect objects, it recognizes them. Shoes, wires, pet bowls, random laundry on the floor, it avoids them gracefully. Pair that with vertibeam sensors, and you've got full vertical and horizontal awareness, meaning fewer crashes, tangles, and interruptions. Now let's talk suction. The Saros 10R delivers an insane 22.0 PA, which makes it one of the strongest vacuums on this list. Whether it's fine dust or embedded pet hair, this machine doesn't hold back. And the best part? It automatically adjusts power depending on floor type, so you don't have to think about it. Mopping? Oh yeah, it's got that too. The mop pads scrub with pressure and heat, and once it's done, it heads back to the dock where it washes and hot air dries itself. You don't touch anything. You don't clean anything. Just let it go. It also supports Matter 1.4, making it fully compatible with smart home systems like Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit. Through the Roborock app, you get full control over room mapping, suction levels, mop settings, schedules, and more. It's intuitive and works without lag or confusion. You'll get up to 180 minutes of runtime, which is more than enough for most homes. It'll recharge itself and resume if needed, and you probably won't even notice, because it's whisper quiet. So who's this for? It's perfect for people who want power, low-profile design, smart home features, and a robot that doesn't need babysitting. If you're building a smarter home or just want your house to stay clean without lifting a finger, the Saros 10R fits right in. Bottom line, this isn't just another vacuum with an app. The Roborock Saros 10R is a quiet workhorse that looks sharp and performs like a beast. Number 3. Eufy Omni E28. Next up is the Eufy Omni E28, a robot vacuum that doesn't just clean your floors. It practically takes over your whole cleaning routine. If you've been searching for something powerful, smart, and actually useful beyond just sweeping up dust, this one checks a lot of boxes. Let's talk about suction first. 0 paw of cleaning power. That's more than enough to lift fine debris, pet hair, and heavy particles from both carpets and hard floors. It doesn't just glide around, it grips the floor and actually extracts dirt, thanks to its smart adaptive suction that adjusts automatically based on surface type. But what really sets the Omni E28 apart is its dual intelligence navigation system. It combines precise LiDAR mapping with a built-in AI camera. That means it not only maps your home in sharp detail, but also recognizes real-world objects like shoes, cables, toys, and pet bowls, and avoids them with ease. It doesn't need babysitting. You set it once, and it learns fast. Mopping? This thing takes it seriously. Dual spinning mop pads apply real pressure for a deep scrub, then return to the dock where they're automatically washed and dried with hot air. You'll never touch a dirty mop pad again, the station takes care of it all. And Eufy didn't stop there. The base station includes something unique, a built-in detachable handheld vacuum. Yep, lift it off the dock and clean stairs, upholstery, or even your car. It's like getting 2 vacuums in one. Battery life holds strong at up to 180 minutes, and it'll auto-recharge and resume if needed. It also supports Matter smart home integration, making it easy to connect with Alexa, Google Home, or Apple HomeKit. Through the app, you can control mapping, no-go zones, suction power, mop settings, and room-specific schedules with ease. Who's it for? If you're dealing with pets, kids, and messy traffic zones, or just want an all-in-one solution that handles vacuuming, mopping, and detailing, the Omni E28 is built for your lifestyle. Bottom line, Eufy packed an incredible amount of power, automation, and versatility into this device. It's smart, self-sufficient, and practical. For anyone who wants a vacuum that does more than just vacuum, this one delivers big. If you're enjoying this countdown so far, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you want more no-fluff reviews like this every week. Number 2. iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. Yaone. AutoWash Dock. At number 2 is the iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max, and if you've ever wished your robot vacuum could finally take mopping seriously, this is the one that proves it can. iRobot has been the go-to name in robot vacuums for years. And with the Combo 10 Max, they've finally cracked the code for a true dual-function machine that doesn't feel like a compromise. First off, yes, it vacuums and mops at the same time, but more importantly, it does both well. The suction power is strong enough to handle dust, crumbs, pet hair, and even larger debris with no problem. It adapts to different floor types using iRobot's smart surface detection, so it knows exactly when to increase power or lift the mop, preventing wet messes on your carpet. Now let's talk about that mop. This isn't a dragging cloth, it's a fully retractable mop arm that raises when not in use and presses down when needed. And with the new AutoWash dock, the mop pad is automatically cleaned and hot air dried after each run. That means no gross water tanks, no hands-on cleaning, and no excuses to skip mopping anymore. Navigation is handled by iRobot's most advanced system, yet a combination of 3D obstacle recognition and AI pathing. It scans and identifies clutter in real time, moving around wires, shoes, and pet bowls like a pro. The live mapping feels responsive and accurate, and the app lets you set up custom cleaning zones, schedules, and no-go areas in seconds. The dustbin and water tank are also upgraded larger than before, so you're not constantly refilling or emptying. And with the Combo 10 Max, you get full integration with Alexa and Google Assistant, plus compatibility with iRobot OS, which continues to evolve and bring new features over time. Battery life? Solid. Up to 170 minutes on a single charge. And of course, it will return to dock, recharge, and resume if needed. It's designed to clean the whole house, not just part of it. Who's it for? If you're already a fan of the Roomba ecosystem, or just want a high-quality, truly automated vacuum mop combo that actually handles both tasks, well, this is your move. Especially great for busy homes that need deep cleaning, not just daily touch-ups. Bottom line, the Combo 10 Max finally brings iRobot's vacuuming legacy together with a smart, powerful mopping solution. It's clean, polished, and works with almost no input from you, which is exactly what a robot should do. And finally, my #1 pick, iRobot Roomba Plus 505 combo. If you're looking for the most complete, intelligent, and truly autonomous cleaning system you can get your hands on right now, the iRobot Roomba Plus 505 combo is it. This isn't just another robot vacuum with a mop slapped on. It's a ground-up redesign of what automated home cleaning should feel like: quiet, efficient, fully independent, and most importantly, reliable. What makes the 505 stand out? Start with the dual-action cleaning system. It combines a powerful vacuum with pressure-sensitive scrubbing mops that lower and lift as needed. No dragging wet pads over clean carpets. The mop pads spin and scrub, not just wipe, giving your floors a noticeably deeper clean with each pass. The AutoWash dock is a major upgrade here. After each cleaning session, it automatically washes the mop pads with detergent, then dries them with hot air so they're fresh and ready for the next job. You don't touch a thing. And yes, it also auto-empties the dustbin, refills the water tank, and charges the robot all in one motion. It's as close to full automation as it gets in a consumer-grade product. Navigation is handled by 3D vision mapping and next-gen AI, powered by iRobot OS. It not only learns your home, but recognizes objects like cables, furniture, pet bowls, and even clutter. You get precision pathing, multi-floor mapping, and custom room cleaning routines that actually make sense. With Matter smart home support, you can control it with Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple devices. The app is clean, modern, and gives full control over cleaning modes, mop intensity, suction levels, and scheduling. You can set it and forget it or micromanage if that's more your style. Battery life runs up to 180 minutes, but the robot is smart enough to recharge and resume without losing its place. It's fast, quiet, and surprisingly effective at edge-to-edge cleaning, thanks to its upgraded brush system and corner detection. So who's it for? Honestly, this is for people who want one device that does everything. If you're upgrading from an older robot vacuum or just want to start with the best, this is it. Especially for larger homes or busy lives where you need something that can keep up without constant attention. Bottom line, the Roomba Plus 505 combo is the most polished and complete robot vacuum and mop combo you can get right now. It's dependable, effortless, and smart in all the ways that matter. And that wraps up my countdown of the best robot vacuums you can buy right now. Whether you're looking for ultra-strong suction, fully automated mop care, smart obstacle detection, or a sleek vacuum that disappears under your couch, there's something on this list for every lifestyle. Now I want to hear from you which one stood out. Are you leaning toward full automation, smart home integration, or raw cleaning power? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I always read them and respond. If this breakdown helped you narrow down your choice, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more straight-to-the-point product reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.